Good morning. It's Friday morning. I usually wake up. I've been waking up at 6:30 or 6:40 for the past 2 days. I woke up at 6:40, but I went back to sleep because I stayed up all night trying to edit my first week of classes video. But anyways, it's Friday. You know I'm about to head to the gym. Y'all know my daily dose of exercise. I made it to the gym. I'm about to go in here and work out. Yeah, work out.
Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, it's not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga merchant ate it from the back. Nigga feeling gotta play a cool. Got the zaddy, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news. This be pressed like who you? I get whatever I like. Bitches won't bark, but they wanna bite. I got too many for using a mic, bitch. Think about that when
So I just did a 1-minute plank. I'm about to do another 1-minute plank. It's Friday. It's like I done already did most of my workouts for this week, so I'm not really pressing the issue, but I'm about to do planks, jumping jacks, standing marches, and regular squat. So let's get in one more or two more 1-minute planks.
but they wanna bite. I got too many for using a mic, bitch. Think about that when you
All right, that was one more plank. I did 2 planks so far, 1 minute. I gotta shoot for one more. I'm gonna take a breather. Last plank, y'all. Last 1-minute plank. My arm is so big, like, oh my god.
She wanna party with spice, and the body gon' eat. Bon appetit, ass all fat with the waist on sleep. Ginger hair, pretty comb beat.
Is it a class in here today, sir?
It's not till another hour.
Oh, okay.
I usually set up and then go to another class up there is getting ready to start.
Okay.
How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, look in the mirror, I'm feeling me. Stacking money with a ceiling. 20 to stand on the couch, went out of town, fuck if they feeling me. He like the way that I dress, throwing bullets to the flex. Like Mimi, I got him obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat. The baddest in the room, so tell them to make room. Diamonds glisten on my boot, they gon' listen to my tune. Flow the nicest, but I'm rude. I like niggas, bitches too. Ayo, baddie, what it do? Ayo, Maddie, what it do? How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, if the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants.
Quick disclaimer, this is just me being extra. It was not arm and back day. I was just basically doing my legs and my core. As you can see, this is just my little beginner's workout on Fridays, because throughout the week I do more heavyweight exercises and stuff like that. So by the time Friday get there, I'm like, I'm either gonna do what I want to do or I'm gonna do some cardio, you know. So I'm doing what I want to do. And plus, I was able to record in this room without people being in it. So that's really why I did this video and those workouts, because those are some of the workouts that I do with free weights versus on the machines. I'm really active on the machines. I work out on the machines a lot. So yeah. And I said all that just to say that I really don't record myself when I'm doing the machines and stuff, because there be so many people in the gym. And not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous, but one day I am gonna actually record myself doing the workout routines that I do on my workout days. Like, for example, Mondays I do leg day, Tuesdays I do back and arms and core. So yeah, maybe it's coming soon, but this is my little beginners. Catch my wave, catch my drip.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood. in my way, so I'm loving my beans. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn. Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, it's not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munching, ate it from the back. Nigga feeling gotta play a cool. Got the zaddy, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news. Bitch be pressed like who you? I get whatever I like. Bitches won't bark, but they wanna bite. I got 2 million for using a mic, bitch. Think about that when you type. She wanna party with spice, and the body gon' eat. Bon appetit, ass all fat with the waist on sleep. Change her hair, pretty comb beat. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, look in the mirror, I'm feeling me. Stacking money with a ceiling. 20 to stand on the couch, went out of town, fuck if they feeling me. He like the way that I dress, throwing bullets to the flex. Like Mimi, I got him obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat. The baddest in the room, so tell them to make room. Diamonds glisten on my boob, they gon' listen to my tune. Flow the nicest, but I'm rude. I like niggas, bitches too. Ayo, baddie, what it do? Ayo, Maddie, what it do? How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, if the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
Gym workout complete. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Hey y'all, so I completed my gym workout for today. I feel like I had a good workout. Only did 15 minutes on the treadmill, 15 minutes cardio today, but that's okay because I do cardio every freaking day, literally. And they say you don't even need that much, but
Disclaimer, they say you don't need that much. They lied. I saw it on Instagram somewhere, but I'm in PED class. I'm talking about PED. But yeah, I'm in fundamentals of fitness, whatever it's called. I'm in a college class for health and fitness, y'all. And you need 150 minutes of cardio per week just to be in shape. So yeah, that's all. Moderate intensity.
But I just do it because it make me feel like I burn more calories. You know, that's my safe option to me.
It is that made me so sensitive, more than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending